Hello everyone, Mike Arnold's here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners on Bob Iagino. So Carvana released earnings. Let's see, they didn't lose as much as they estimated, or the street estimated they would, and it rallied, but they're still losing money, and this was pretty much a blatant short squeeze. We were asked a question today about this, whether we were going to cover it, and yes, and how we came up with our next levels. Well, let me zoom in here first. Let me actually. So you see here, we finally got through the minor area. We ran up there. Finally, it became support, through the next level. Just yesterday, through the final level. So let me do this. I'll show you what we did. We took this to the pausing bar right here. All right. And that's how we came up with those levels. I didn't use these levels. So we started rallying. See here, easily through 196.47. Pausing before 215 at 214.47. Pulling back, then started going through our next level. So what did I do? 1 hour chart. Went from this little ledge, so this is considered the most recent move because we had this little support wedge on the 1 hour chart. And I went to this pausing area. So again, moving sideways and letting the very short-term rotation zone catch up. But that gave us a 219.60, which the high there was 219.88, and 224.74. What was the high today? 225.16. So those levels are all done and complete. At this point, the only pause we really have for the longer term levels is this. I'm just going to the top. If this thing keeps rallying, it's way overdone. It's been overdone, and now this was a massive short squeeze. So I haven't checked the outstanding short percentage yet. It's got to be dropping. So once that starts significantly dropping, this thing could peter out and retrace. Support on the 1 hour coming in at 207. I'm now jumping to the 4 hour. See how far away. So 4 hour support. I'd be watching this 200, which is a 12.5% retracement. If we fell below there, this will converge probably around with 190. Somewhere in there. Upside levels 231.64, 238.11, 250.54, and I'm not even putting the final one on there because it's absurd right now. Daily chart, you can see how overdone this is also. Your rotation zone is all the way back at 25%, which is 174 right now. So on a bigger pullback, it could, and I've seen it happen before, you get these huge short squeeze bars, short interest drops, and then you plummet back down. So just know where your levels are, know where you're moving up your stop if you're trading this and held it through earnings, and you got some nice probably profit built in there if you held it through earnings. So just know where if it starts retracing, where you're taking your profits at. So we have for you on Carvana, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.